Hi guys, I'm Meghana BR, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, currently a 6th sem. So today's my seminar is about cloud-based attendance system. So today's agenda will be introduction to cloud computing, basic idea of attendance monitoring with cloud, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. So now let's move on to the introduction to cloud computing. So cloud computing is nothing but delivering the different services through the internet, which includes tools and applications like data storage, servers, database, networking, and storage. So rather than keeping the files on hard drive or local storage, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to remote database. As long as the device has the power, that is the electric device has the access to the web, it has access to the data and the software program to run it. So also you can see in the image that the different devices like applications, mobile storage, server, database, all are connected to the cloud computing. Also it is of three types: private cloud, public cloud, and a hybrid cloud. So we'll see what is private cloud and public cloud. A public cloud is one which sells the services to anyone on the internet, whereas the private cloud is a data center that supplies hosted services to limited number of people with certain access and permission settings. So both private or public, the goal of cloud computing is to provide easy scalable access to computing resources and IT services. So now the basic idea or what is the attendance system is. So attendance system allows you to add the attendance of the employees or student who is present on that day. The user has to log in and scan their ID card to mark their attendance. As the card has been scanned, the details like ID number, date, in time, out time are saved in the database. Next, the cloud-based attendance system, which is the actual topic. So here, the database which is recorded or attendance is recorded, that database will be stored into the Azure cloud, which will form a dedicated connection between application and cloud server through internet. With the in-time and out-time data stored in the cloud, the admin can calculate the working hours of the employee. Also, the employees can view his personal details, attendance, in-time or out-time, total working hours after he or she logs into the system. So this data is retrieved from the cloud database and can be accessed anytime by the employee and the admin. The admin of the system can add new employees by registering the new employees and filling up their registration details. The admin is authorized to view the records of all the system, and the system allows to keep up to date record of the employees. Now, the database file will be stored into the Azure cloud. Also, the data will be accessed in the web browser through Azure link. So next we are seeing the advantages of the cloud based attendance system. Here user cannot add proxy attendance, which means user in paper work users can add proxy attendance, but in cloud based systems you cannot add the proxy attendance. So it scans the ID card number, right? So that ID number will be unique and you cannot manipulate it. or do proxy. So it is a advantage for calculating the strict attendance or monitoring the strict attendance of the employees or students. And next is the database is secured as it is stored in Azure Cloud Server. Then employees working hours is calculated in systematic manner. Yes, than in paperwork. Here it is easy to calculate in systematic order. So if a employee's working hours is 8 hours and if he work for an overtime, so we can calculate the overtime he has done, which helps in incrementing the salary or bonuses. So that is the next point. Employee working hours is calculated and it enables the user to easily calculate the salary and overtime. Next is the disadvantage. The major disadvantage or the drawback is it requires an active internet connection or else the attendance won't be scanned or recorded. So it is obviously a main drawback for people or institutions, places where cloud-based monitoring system is maintained. And also there is a difficulty in scanning, like scanning the iris, fingerprints are touch to scan. Eyelashes, eyelids, and lens and reflections from the cornea can be difficult to scan. And if finger is injured, again a fingerprint scanner won't be able to scan the fingers. So this is also a major drawback which has to be overcome. Next is the applications. It is used in schools and colleges for monitoring the systems of teachers. Yeah, you might have seen in schools and colleges, teachers entering their fingerprints for scanning the attendance. And also it is used in big companies, factories, IT industries for monitoring employees. Like they have their ID which may contain a unique number or a barcode which is very unique and different from others, so that no proxy will be added and easily the attendance is monitored for all the employees. So this is all about today's seminar. Thank you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Uh, if you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.